Hey guys, this is JRPG and I'm doing my next project, Landstalker by Climax Entertainment. Landstalker, The Treasures of King Knoll. Now I'm playing the European version because it'll prevent me from running into an issue that prevents me from finishing the game later. So without further ado, let's start a new game. Gypcha Ruins. Sounds like a pun's in there somewhere. Isometrics are fun. I've also got the brand new capture card to play this on, so this is why the quality's much better. I don't have to use my PC anymore for a lot of emulation now. I have this recording at whatever native resolution this game is supposed to run at, because my TV's currently displaying at 1080p, but this game is obviously not one of those games. So it's just going to record it as good as it can. Call of the Harbor. So we got the Gypcha statue. I guess he's going to sell it. Kenji Arimo. Shinya Nishigaki. Wonder how much we're getting for this. Wow, and his name's Nigel. Dude, you're creepy. Who the hell is that? Some fairy named Friday. It looks kind of like a demon because of her wings. Okay, so she's in trouble. Jeez, I don't think they're that bad. Are you Mr. T? KO's a Mr. T. Okay. Let's go! Yeah, they're kind of stupid. Correction, they are stupid. Jeez, you're pretty bossy, Friday. Okay, so we're going on anecdotes. Great. I really hope you're not just being boastful, Nigel. Motoaki Takanochi. Uh-huh. What? What's the bird gonna do with that money? And are you really that hard up for treasure that you're going to give all your money away for something that might not be worth it? Oh boy. Now would be a good time to save my game. Oh boy. Oh, I almost forgot about the stellar control in this game. I can't do anything about that. It's been a long time since I played this game. Getting used to the controls is difficult. So B button jumps, A button lets you pick up items, and we got a livestock, which increases our overall health. A button attacks, and so does the C button. It does the same thing. This game only uses 3 buttons plus the start button. 5 golds. More money. You almost think they'd you'd be using this money really quickly. This game has lots of puzzles in it. And we gained another livestock already. At least it's unlike Zelda, where you could just, as soon as you get a heart piece, it's added to your life. You don't need to get 4 of them. Why I'd say this game's a better Zelda game than Zelda. There's no way to get that treasure chest right now. You have to come back here later. But by that I mean it's better than the original Legend of Zelda. Clearly, other Zelda games are better than this for other reasons, though. But in terms of its feature set, this league's better. Oh boy, we're gonna fall off, aren't we? And we die! A man! What, they've never seen a human before? Or rather, a male? Huh. Of course he is. All good JRPG heroes are lazy. Yay! Jeez. You fell in love with him. Yeah, get up, lazy bum. Oh, I'm sorry, I ran out of battery juice. 1 moment. This won't take long. I didn't know how much power is left in these things when I started playing. I should have just taken them out. Enjoy the music. Sorry about that. You loser! You're no help. Oh yeah, let's get on the chicken. Something really important happens if we get on the chicken. So we gotta go to Mercator, huh? First we gotta go through Ryuma. We can't just go to Mercator. Where'd the chicken go? There we go. Now, I want to save here because there is a livestock we can get, but we have to go on top of the statue, get on top of this guy, probably going to save again, and wait forever until he actually gets around to going close to where we can jump off. Yeah, it might take a while. Oh, come on. Now, alternatively, you could go on the dog, but he's less predictable. He tends to gravitate towards the lower end. Come on, down again. Not one of the most well-designed ways to get life. I might just end up doing this later. And again, the recording software I do have does have an edit feature. I might screw around with that later. You really just stopped? Come on, up, up. Go up, you fool. Up. This is horrible. I could have probably made it if I had done it there. Go on, down. Go down. Down, you fool. Come on. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Just making sure the controller doesn't automatically switch off, because it does do that. I'm playing on the Wii. Oh, that's right. Come on, doggy. I'm just gonna wait, because he'll be closer soon. Never mind, I'm loading my state. This walking is rather random. Come on, just up a little bit more. Okay. There we go. Sorry about that, folks. I don't think I'll need to edit that. I'll leave it in there for posterity. Yes, what do you have to sell? Well, screw that. I'll come back here later when I actually have money. And I don't feel like it's important to buy e-geek just yet. Because the game just gives me one, and that restores your health when you use it in the item selection screen. Waterfall Shrine Shade. Eccentric! The interesting thing about Climax is that they worked on the first Shining Force, but maybe not the second. But I think they worked on some of the Game Gear ones. They also did the Shining in the Darkness game, which I'll eventually LP it, all of those at some point. And this is the inn where you can look at the map of the world. If we put it on the counter. Yes. Very creepy music, but we're now in the San region. I don't want to stay, but we have to set it down if we want to record. Oh, I guess we have to stay if we record. But I have save states, so that's not really important. So there's a treasure hunter named Pockets. No. Let's lie. Yes. Haha! He knew we were lying. Because we talked to him before, maybe? I don't know. And you can pick up pots and put them somewhere. I think Pockets might have something on top of his head, but I'm not sure. I'll look into it later, though. There's stuff like that in the future, though, where you can use them as stepping stones to get other stuff. It's actually part of a puzzle later. To get hidden items. The Eek Eek Vine. Okay. Plant the seeds and watch them grow. Soon you'll reap what you have sown. Take the crops to town one day. You'll be rich and then you'll say, this is the farmer's song. Okay. Are you a rapper? Let's get out of this place. I'm pretty sure you can go over 99 health. Oh no! Obviously! They can't just be assholes. And there's this tree that we can't do anything with. Eventually, though, we'll be able to do something about that. Waterfall Shrine and the Village of Gumi and then Village of a Shrine. So we have to go to the Waterfall Shrine first. They kind of look like gummy bears. And that's an exit from the Waterfall Shrine. Well, I remember falling down there from the waterfall. Whoops, I think we might forgot something over here. No hidden passages? Oh well. So we're gonna do the Waterfall Shrine before I call this a video. Ooh, it's our first enemy. A slime, of course. And they only give you 1 gold, just like any good slime. Can we fall down here? Nope. Wait a minute. There might be something over here. Yes, there is, in fact. But I don't think we should go there yet. I don't remember this place memorized. Well, maybe we should. See, I have a conundrum. I have a guide to look at, but I'm keeping an eye on how long I've been recording. So I can't do both. So we got a key. It's gonna open that door down there. And they, yeah, when they die, they scream. And this game has rather loose hit detection. Take advantage of it. Gotcha. Do I want to go down there or over here first? I took my first hit. Oh, guess we have to go the other way. Well, I'd rather load my state than come back down here. So this is how you use a key. You go to the use key, obviously. I wish it were more automatic like the Zelda games, but oh well. And we get 5 more gold. Now, what I could do is I could grind until I have the money, but nah, I'd rather just go back there later, since we'll be able to anyway. The game isn't that difficult either. Although I think the damage you can do to enemies is based on the amount of HP you have. So that's something worth looking into later. We can't go in there just yet. So we kill these guys. See, now that we have hit that switch, we can come back up here. Gotta be careful. They can totally overwhelm you if you're not careful. You're better off going where I went and standing your ground, just slashing like crazy. Prospero. Ha! Another pun! Yes! Another useless man! Fragment of a document for the legend of King Knoll. Like the guy in the title? In the age of King Knoll, a vast horde of soldiers came to this land. Of course there is! There's gotta be treasure. Okay, I guess we have to get him back to the village. And we get a livestock for our efforts. But unlike Zelda, we don't get our health restored. We just get the extra HP and that's it. So now we gotta get out of here. We do get other weapons that help increase our attack power, but again, I think either your attack or defense is slightly based on how much HP you have. Maximum, not current. So let's get the hell out of here. I didn't know if we could jump there from here. Wait, was that there before? I don't remember. I might have just missed it entirely. Yeah, that wasn't there last time. We get another livestock, yay. There's quite a few of them in this game. Was it because we hit the switch earlier? But oh well. I like the music in this game quite a bit. We won't be able to do anything here for a long time. Is the bridge fixed yet? Yes, it is. But they're blocking it. Do what? Okay. I guess I have to talk to the dude. A major tragedy? Goomy thugs. Oh no. I'm not even gonna bother healing because I'm gonna go do that in the next town. No, but I'll fake save my game. Well, no, 10 gold's not nearly enough. We're only missing 2 HP. What a pity. But it's not a pity because, well, actually it is a pity because I have to quit. I'll call this an episode. See you guys later. Bye-bye.